You get 273 or 233 700. So this act as our what? Our net profit. Now, so far so good. The aim of preparing income statement is actually to get the net profit. This net profit will help us in the preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. Is that okay? So the first question was prepare the income statement. Is it okay? Then number 2 question is prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. So can we prepare now the profit and loss appropriation account? Any question? So far so good. So we are preparing profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended. When is the year ended? Yes, when is the year ended? 30th June 2019. That is correct. Now let me now prepare bring in the simple format. Okay, so this is a set. So we have our details. We have expenses, amount. So our amount is shillings, is it? Expenses, no, this is income, amount, which is our amount is what? In shillings. Now the first item is interest on what? So from the question we are told about interest on capital. What is the interest on capital? Interest on capital account balance at 10% per annum. So you go to capital, Kamau capital. How much is Kamau capital? Yes, 350,000. 10% of 350,000 is how much? Yes, 35,000. That is it. You come to Onyango. Onyango, how much is the value of Onyango's capital? 290. 290, 10%. How much is that? 29,000. That is correct. So can you total this? How much are you getting? 35,000 plus 29,000. 64,000. Okay, next. Do you have salaries? Partnership salary 8,000 to Kamau. So you come to Kamau, salary. You write salary. Salary is paid only to who? Who is paid salary? Kamau. How much? 8,000. Is that per month or per annum? Per year. Okay, fine. Next, do we have commission? No commission. Is it okay? But if commission was there, you will have actually introduced. Are we together? So let me write it for the knowledge sake, which is not there. Now we move to the income side. Our first income is the net profit that we got from the profit and loss account, from the income statement. So what is our profit from the income statement? It was 233. Was that the profit? Let me check. This is the profit, 233,700, and that is what we are bringing here. Then we come to the what? Interest on drawings. So what is our interest on drawings? Number one is Kamau. How much is the interest of Kamau? 1,800. And then the next one is Onyango. 1,200. Total 3,000, is it? Okay, can you now total? Total the debit side, total the credit side. Which side is more? You total the debit side, you total the credit side. Now which side is more? Income side, is it? So use the side with the higher figure to balance the side with the low figure. So 233,700 plus 3,000, you get what? 236,700, is it? 236,700. So what is our profit shared? And the profit will be shared among partners in their profit sharing ratio. Profit shared. A. Kamau is getting what? And Onyango is getting what? So use the profit sharing ratio. What is the difference? 236,700 minus 72,000. What do you get? 164,700. Now can you share 164,700 in their profit sharing ratio? What is their profit sharing ratio? They are sharing equally, is it? So equally means you divide by 2. So 164,700 divided by 2. What do you get? Yes? 82, 350. 82, 350. Now that is how you come up with the profit and loss appropriation account. Any question as far as profit and loss appropriation account is concerned? Now once you are there, we now prepare partners account. Partners account will actually show us the distribution of the capital among partners. So our next account is partners account. We are now preparing what? Partners account. Now partners account will actually show us what is the composition of capital for each and every partner. Is that correct? How much is Kamau getting and how much is Onyango getting on the basis of their distribution. Okay, so again, we are preparing partners account. Now in partners account, there are two methods. I said there are two methods. Which one and which one? Yes? Who can remind us? I said there are two methods. Yes. So I want us to use the fixed method because we have current account. Is it okay? So how many partners do we have? So there are two partners. So two partners. So 3, 3. That is 6. So we need 6 columns. So number one, we are preparing. So the first account we are preparing is capital account. And then number two is current account. So number one account is actually the what? Capital account. Now in capital account, how many partners do we have as we have said? So we have particulars, or let me call it details so that it is short. Details, Kamau, Onyango, details, Kamau, Onyango. So how many partners do we have? We have two partners.